right now I want to show you this Motovera. This is a laser level. So you've got two different features here. It's got a self-leveling and then a manual. So if you press and hold the button for 5 seconds on the top, it turns on, and then you can just use it as a laser level. Now you would have to level it yourself. It's not self-leveling in this mode. So what you would do is just go ahead and press and hold the button to turn it off, and then you can stand it up on a tripod. So here I've got a traditional camera tripod, and the cool thing about it is that it's got that little screw hole in the bottom so you can attach it to a tripod, and then this is really what it's meant for. Or I don't know if it's not just meant for this, but this is where it truly shines, I should say. So once you get it in, you can go ahead and get it on your tripod, and this is going to save me so much time and energy when it comes to hanging pictures. I've got a lot of pictures that we want to hang around the house. So on the front here, you just have to switch it over to the unlock icon here. Once I get it in place here, and now you see it's kind of adjusting a little bit, but just give it a second. There, it's found itself. It is self-leveling. Now I could just go through, boom, make all the marks that I need to, and I would be able to hang whatever I'm working with pretty much instantly. So it's going to work great for some shelving, pictures, framing, anything that you're doing and you need to have it level. You don't have to waste that time trying to get that bubble right where it needs to be. This is just really awesome. It's a really cool tool. So I really love it. It's the Motovera, and I like the green laser. It shows up really well, and it's really easy to see when I'm trying to find the project that I'm working on. So very great, highly recommended.